Ginger grilled pork is one of the Japanese favorites of Japanese people. By using pork, ginger, and soy sauce, you can make a simple and delicious dish. This time, I will introduce how to make ginger grilled pork that you can easily enjoy at home. We will also give you tips and advice on cooking with pork and ginger, so please read it. Introduction of grilled pork with ginger. Pork shogayaki is a type of Japanese food made with pork, ginger, and soy sauce. Season thinly sliced pork with soy sauce and ginger, and fry in a frying pan. It is sweet and fragrant, and is a popular dish not only in Japan but also overseas. Cooking with pork and ginger has many benefits. Pork is an excellent source of protein and provides essential vitamins and minerals. Ginger has many health benefits, such as helping the digestive system and improving blood circulation. Additionally, the combination of pork and ginger adds flavor and texture to the dish. How to make ginger grilled pork. The minimum ingredients needed to make pork shogayaki are pork, soy sauce, and ginger. First, prepare the pork and put it in a bowl. In Japan, thinly sliced pork is cheap, so I used this time. I chose a delicious one with fat because it tastes good when it has fat. You can choose thinly sliced or thickly sliced as you like. Next, grate the ginger, add the soy sauce, and mix. I use Kyocera equipment to grate ginger. Then add the soy sauce and mix it back into the bowl. This time, I wanted a crispy texture at the end, so I added potato starch. Finally, bake it and it's done. This time it was just pork, but it is common to bake it with onions. You can also add vegetables such as cabbage. Tips for enjoying pork ginger yaki at home. There are a few things to keep in mind when cooking ginger pork at home. Using freshly grated ginger enhances the flavor and texture. Also, adjust the amount of soy sauce to your liking. Adjust the heat so that the pork doesn't burn. Finally, cook slowly until the pork is cooked and the outside is crispy. In conclusion, ginger grilled pork is a simple and delicious dish that you can easily enjoy at home. Dishes with pork and ginger are good for your health and satisfy your taste buds. By following the above steps and adjusting the ingredients to your liking, you can enjoy delicious ginger pork at home. Now, the next time you want to eat something delicious, why not try grilled pork with ginger?